I mean, yeah, it's just, we have no choice to think about that situation because it's a situation that happened. It happened last year where the team had a big victory, and then the next game they came out and they ended up losing the series. I think for us it was important that after this game that we didn't celebrate and that we didn't necessarily get comfortable and lose our focus. We have to remain focused and we have to remain to keep playing and remain. We have to play this game forward like it's an elimination game. In order for us to do that, we have to stay focused and execute our game plan and execute the necessary steps to help us get this win tonight.
Do you feel this gap of energy?
Yeah. I mean, it's definitely. I mean, I think this game on Friday can, in essence, be a great opportunity for us. It's a great opportunity. It's a big victory. If we get the victory, it will be a big victory, a big win. I mean, I think the opportunity is in our hands. So we have to come out and play with the energy and play with the physicality and leave it all on the floor. Leave everything on the line because it's basically an elimination game for both of us. We feel.
What do you remember about Italy?
Huh?
What do you remember about Italy?
Oh, I love Italy. I love the Italian culture. I love the Italian people. I mean, it's one of my favorite places. Okay, it's one of my favorite people and one of my favorite places to go and one of my favorite places to visit.
Good job, man.
Thank you.